That looks like a good one.
Each one goes back-to-back rocks.
Back-to-back rock. I'm just kidding. Oh, these guys are slaying. Really? You caught a shoe? Amazing! You caught a shoe? Oh my god.
Yeah, right off the body. Yeah.
That's Jimmy Hoffa shoe. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're Detroit River fishing. So it's a bright, beautiful morning. We're roughly out here about 6:30, 7 o'clock, something like that. And we're just gonna be trying to fish for anything. Right now out the walleye bite. Pardon? 7:30. Oh, 7:30, sorry. All right, the walleye bite has been very, very tough lately. So we might try some bottom bouncing, a little bit of jigging. We're just gonna see what's out there. Yeah. And if things don't pan out, then we might go do a little pike fishing or bluegill fishing in the canal, any type of fishing. So it's late spring and things are getting tough. So let's stay tuned for the episode. All right, so we made it to our first location of the day. We're gonna start by jigging. We're gonna do our vehicle of the day here. Caministicua Port Dover. Whatever that says, you guys tell me. You guys can see it on the back. But this is probably as close as we're gonna get to a freighter ship. This one's actually pretty large, pretty cool.
Pretty large and in charge.
Yeah, it looks like it just emptied out or something because it's pretty high up right now. But beautiful sight to see. There you guys go, up front and close. Vehicle of the day. Oh, I just had a bite. Oh, hi puppy! I didn't even see you. You got one?
Yep. Nice. Oh, that one hit.
Nice. What is that?
Silver.
What the fuck? Silver. A white perch.
Silver.
Damn.
Yeah, baby.
You guys are slaying it right now.
Come on, white perch. I think I just caught their attention.
Come on, silver bass. Just kidding.
Man, I would love that.
It's gonna be a walleye.
Yeah, it's a walleye. It's a Walter. Walter.
Yeah.
Ooh, right between the high islands.
Cool.
There's a vomit, a face vomit. Look at this shit. Vomit like a basketball.
Right through the eyeball.
Yeah, fuck.
You got one?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! Another one. There you go. I've got another audience.
Are you guys using a different weight than me or something? What's going on here?
Silver.
Oh, white perch again.
Is it?
Yeah. Another white perch. There we go. Oh, it's decent.
You want to try both flip or you want to reel in and grab it?
There we go. Well, we gotta change it up when the jigging season's over. That's how you get them. Cool.
They're out there.
So Tan's on another one here. We're just bottom bouncing away, smashing. You gotta change up the technique when you're not catching fish. Jigging is not doing so well, so
yeah, this one's barely hooked.
That's barely hooked?
Yep. But this one's gotta be...
You got it, Tan. Nice. Nice, brother. Beautiful. There we go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The jigging wasn't working, so the bottom bounce is working really good right now.
Got to. Yep.
Gotta switch it up, brother.
Gotta switch it up.
Yeah.
Jigging and heat don't go together.
No.
Especially crystal clear water with high bright skies.
Uh-huh. Got it.
Into the boat.
There we go.
You got one, Jerry?
Canada. Oh, okay. Yeah. Another fish on.
Yeah. Nice. I just smashed one. Now Jerry's on one real quick. Throw this in the tub real quick and we're gonna help Jerry out. Nice.
Oh, bro, that's nice.
You got it, Jerry?
This fucking stops. Fucking pin it.
There you go, brother. Beautiful. Oh, what was it?
Rock.
Oh, I thought you said rock bass.
Yeah, it's a rock bass. Prehistoric one.
Yeah. I like catching tree pounders. When you catch a giant tree. That was like a good one. Back to back rock. I'm just kidding. Oh, these guys are slaying. Really? You caught a shoe? Amazing! You caught a shoe? Oh my god.
Yeah, right off the body. Yeah.
That's Jimmy Hoffa shoe.
Jimmy Hoffa's shoe.
Oh my god. First you catch a rock, then you catch a shoe. I've been trying to catch a shoe all my life, man.
That's impressive.
Yeah. There we go, I got one.
Oh, double header.
You got one too, Ted? Damn, double header, alright. Nice. We're bounced up right now, brother.
I need one for a triple.
We're crushing it right now. Worm harnesses work really well.
Into the boat. They're coming out.
There you guys go, there's another one of the day. Man, they're actually feasting on worms right now. The worm harnesses are working very, very well. Oh! Oh!
Throwing them everywhere on the boat.
Bro, they're just flopping everywhere. We're starting to stack up on fish though, I'll tell you that.
What are you guys doing today?
There we go, another one. Crushing it today, bro. I don't even know how many so far.
I don't even know.
3 or 4. I got
Yeah.
2 in there. Tan's got 2 in there.
Yeah.
And you got 3 or 4 in there now.
Oh, yeah. Another one.
Oh, yeah.
Like me.
Whew. So, worm harness. Like the other guy said there, walleyes don't like the heat. So, when the heat is here, don't jig. Start bottom bouncing. You can start crushing fish like this. Whew. So, a little update. We did 1 drift so far. And we ended up with 9 fish, which is a really, really good feat. A couple white perch. You know, we had a couple snags here and there, but all in all, we're actually doing pretty good today. I think we're going to get our 3-man limit if we do one more drift. And then we might decide to go and do a little bit of extra fishing for you guys. So stay tuned for this episode. We're starting to kill it right now. Alright guys, so we're doing our second drift now. And like I said, we got 9 on our first one. Could have been possibly more, but we lost a few close by, lost a few that bit us. But I think it's going to be great. Sun's starting to come up, so the heat of the day is starting to kill us. Let's get it back down there when we start pushing forward and catch some more fish. You got one, Jerry? Nice. Crushing them today, bro. We're winning. Whoa, what is that?
Right perch. That's what I'm saying, man. I just cut the top hook this time.
Yeah.
Oh, right through his eyeball.
Nice, Jerry. That looks like more decent.
Yeah, this one's big. A little bigger. That head shakes too.
Yeah.
So.
There we go. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Cool. Yeah?
Oh, fuck yeah. As soon as I put a new little morsel on. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. This has got a little bit of shoulders.
Show that.
Walleye, it's not.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. There you go. Nice. Nice fish, brother.
Wow.
That's a big one. Is it a walleye?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Walleye for sure.
Cool.
Ain't big though, but
Hey, man.
fit in the live well still.
Perfect eaters.
Or without nothing on it, but I kind of want it with the fish.
Alright guys, so we're ending our day there. I end up with a bunch of them, actually, countless. We all got a 3-man limit. We're using bottom bounces and worm harnesses. It seems like worms are just doing the trick right now. You know, when the jigging gets really tough and you want to cover a lot of ground, that's the best way to do it. So I haven't done it in years, man. It was a lot of fun. So if you guys decide to get out here, start bottom bouncing in the summer. You'll catch your walleye. If you guys liked it, like, share, subscribe. If I haven't caught you on this one, I'll catch you on the next. Peace.
Later.